Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Unfortunately, no farmer's market here in Yuba City this morning. They are closed for the season, but I look forward to seeing some familiar faces next year. Yesterday, I was quite busy. I started by preparing homemade red enchilada sauce. Oh, yeah. I looked at the method, instructions, and I went, nope. I changed it a couple different times, but I did it my way. I think there's a song in there somewhere. Yeah, I'm getting a silent serenade from across the room. So yeah, the red sauce came out really good. You have to be careful with the peppers because if you heat them up too much, they become a little bit bitter to bitter. So I was able to save the sauce, but I also did some casual chefing to it. Then I did the beef enchiladas. Of course, I'm making sauce for beef enchiladas, and that was a fantastic meal. And in between the sauce and the actual enchiladas, I produced and blended garam masala, which is a 13 or 14 ingredient blend. I will be testing this blend out on Sunday, tomorrow. Doing a simple garam masala chicken dish. So yeah, we'll be taste testing it tomorrow. Today, simple meal compared to yesterday. I got my breaks yesterday. Don't get me wrong. I did get my breaks yesterday, but I stayed very busy. As I told Ernie Troth up in Washington, my nasal passages didn't know which way to go because it had two very distinct cuisines within them. Yes. The only thing, and Robin and I figured out this morning, the only thing that carried over between the two was the cumin. Yeah. So, yeah, I think my nasal passages are still recovering. But, yeah. Tonight, simple meal. Actually, there's literally, other than measuring, there is no prep. Parmesan Crusted Chicken Alfredo. I've been looking forward to this meal since I actually found it, but I've been looking forward to it all week. It's homemade Alfredo with chicken. Oh, yeah. So let's get to it. Plenty of hardware. Lots of hardware. But that's okay. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, which I'll pound out later. I'm going to be building up some breadcrumbs, starting off with some kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika from the local spicery in Marysville, California, and of course Parmesan cheese. I'll probably add a few other things to it, probably a little bit of basil and some oregano, and we'll see how I'll doctor that up. A couple eggs for the dredging. We'll be having it with linguine. The sauce is very simple. Heavy cream, garlic, butter, Parmesan. That's it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. That's it. Don't turn your back on it though. It'll burn. And this sad looking parsley is just to remind me that I either need to go buy some or I'm going to use dry and it's only for garnish. And here's the results. I know we don't have smell-o-vision, but here is the results of my freshly blended garam masala. It smells wonderful. Yes. So yeah, busy day yesterday, not so busy day today. I'm still working on the fine details on some of this urban spice blend, labels and packaging and whatnot, and working on pricing. So just stay tuned. On this Saturday, enjoy the weather. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.
Good.